Move side na eh.
Daddy!
Give daddy. Hello. We are back. After si Mishka nagkasakit, ngayon na lang ulit ako naka-vlog. Kagigising lang nito from her afternoon nap. And I decided to finally cut her hair. Should we cut your hair?
No!
Uy! Umiiyak siya nung isang araw kasi gusto niya ng short hair. Tapos kanina sabi niya i-cut na yung hair niya. Tapos gusto pa niyang may bangs-bangs. So sabi ko, gugupitan ko na yung kanyang buhok. Kasi medyo mahirap na rin siya i-maintain, guys. Sabi niya last time sa kanyang birthday, February. Pero ngayon, parang feel ko na din na gupitan kasi nahihirapan na din siya kapag nakahiga. Minsan, naiipit yung kanyang buhok. So sabi niya, Mami, my hair. Naghihintay lang ako ng timing kung kailan ko gugupitan yung kanyang buhok na nasa good mood siya. At papayag siya, nagupitan na yung kanyang buhok. And para ma-surprise din si Daddy mamaya. Actually, si Abby gusto niya mahaba buhok ni Mishka. Never pa siyang nag-open up, nagupitan yung buhok ni Mishka. Nagsasabi lang siya minsan na gupitan yung buhok ni Mishka. Kapag galit siya, na natatakpan ng buhok ni Mishka yung kanyang mata. Sasabihin niya, ano gusto mo? Gupitan natin buhok mo. Pero never siyang nagsabi na gupitan yung buhok ni Mishka. Just for the sake na gupitan pa. Ganito yung kanyang buhok ngayon. Sit properly, beloved. Sit properly. Hanggang dito na, oh. Medyo oily lang to, yung kanyang buhok kasi nilagyan ko ng oil kanina. You want with bangs or no bangs?
Next time, bang.
Next time. But now short hair only. Okay. Like this? Like this? Take this, Mimi. I will cut this much. Love, love. This much.
Yes.
Yes? Listen to my final question. Do you want Mommy to cut your hair or not?
Yes.
Yes. How long? How long should I cut? There. Like baby Mimi. Okay. Sit on this newspaper, Nanay.
Why?
So that our chair will not have your hair. Stand. Stand. This one na siya.
Raincoat.
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 So that it the hair will not stick on your dress. Mommy will cut your hair. Are you ready?
Yes.
How ready are you? From 1 to 10, how ready are you?
5.
5. Okay. Now Mimi is ready.
No.
Huh?
Don't cut so many.
Don't cut so many. Kinakabahan ako kasi baka umiyak siya mamaya ba. Gusto ko kasi parang shoulder length. Wait, don't. Ayan, ganito kahaba. Michelle, you ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Set.
Go. Mommy will cut this hair, okay? Here? Okay? Are you ready? This much long hair will cut, okay?
Don't cut so many.
Yeah, not so many, only here, until here. Your hair will be on your shoulder. Is it okay? Okay. Ready?
Set.
Then we will surprise Daddy later. Ah, kinakabahan ako. Okay, go. Aww. I can't decide. Not yet, not yet. Are you sure, Mimi? Are you sure?
Yes.
You tell Mommy if Mommy will cut your hair or not.
Yes.
Tell Mommy.
Yes.
Tell Mommy na. Mommy.
Mommy, cut my hair.
Oh! Ready?
Cut.
Okay. Go up. Hala, shock. Yay! See, here's your hair. We'll show this to Daddy later, okay? Don't take it off. We'll show Daddy later. Yay! Parang yung sa likod na sobrahan, guys. Wait! Wait! Wait.
Look, I'm down in my hair.
Yeah, it's like unicorn hair. You have another one. Yay! Another hair. Don't take it off. Wait. You like it? Oh. You like your new hair? Yay! Wait, baby. We'll put hair clip on your hair. Don't take out the love. We'll say, hoy! Oh, tingnan niyo guys. 1, 2. Put hair clip on your hair. Here.
Mommy, how do I put it back?
No, we are not going to put it back again. Here. Put hair clip. You can just play with your hair now. Okay?
Okay. Mommy,
Hmm?
I want.
You look pretty, love. Look here, babe. Oh, you look so pretty. Parang nasobrahan ko sa likod, guys. Okay, we'll hold Lula. Alam, tawa pala ako. Gutingan ko buhok ni Mimi. Para lipot naman eh, oh.
Allah.
Malipot na, oh. Mga.
Wow. Bebe. Sanugon.
Sige lang, ha. Kay yaw. Kay kung maghigda sa gakaipit na balahaw. Be?
Pati ang buhok niya. Wow. Give me your hair.
Show
Give
Lula
me
your hair. Huh?
The wig na yung wig. Nugon.
Sige
Eh,
lang.
hindi na mapungos.
Natamaan ko gani, kalipot. Natamaan ko kalipot. Mimi, don't move, Danay. Ito pumol ko na lang.
Eh, hindi na mapungos.
Mapungos pa man.
Tani naman. Mapungos lang
Ang
tani.
mapungos, gusto ko ang mapungos man sa Japon.
Eh, where's daddy yan nakita?
Surprise ni kay Daddy ya karon. Bebe.
Mimi? Mimi?
Sit ba na properly? Kaya hindi ko mabanta. Natamaan ko kalipot, gali.
Damo sumbok. Ang daw ligpo to binaglagba na to.
Oo. Bebe. Mashock ni kami si Daddy mo. Mimi, wait ka lang. Hindi ko maano. Bebe.
Sikat to. Upikat de po sikat.
Hindi ito pungon ko pagani ni. Hindi ko kabalo magunting ha.
Ati may okay, yawan man to sa kung laba. Ang naga, yawan sa mga eskwela sa.
Kaga sunit na. Gasunit ang punta.
Tumitom sa mga buhok ko. Tumitom.
Gano'n ka mga
Tapos sa katanyapon, sigluhan mo na po, nagpuli na sa.
Wrap me up in the winter's cold. Hang the lights in the mistletoe. Come around like the year before. we savor the great indoors. I don't need a gift to know you got me, just to make me feel at home. Just a simple wish to make me happy, so that I can feel you close. Just one thing I'm asking for, give me love, that's all I want.
This is the after.
Or in a bowl, give me love, that's all I want.
You like my new haircut,
I
guys?
like my new haircut, guys.
Do I look pretty?
Do you look pretty?
Yes, you look pretty.
Ang sa likod din, ang likod, likod.
Ang lipot ang sa likod, hindi ko siya matupong. Ayan siya, guys. For dinner, gusto niya egg and hotdog. She did it! Perfect yung kanyang pag-crack ng egg. It's perfect! You did good! That was okay. Wash your hands. Crispy egg for Mimi.
Now I want to eat the tongue.
Mishka is going to eat. Magkapunan yun siya. Ito yung pinapagawa ko kanina sa kanya. Yung green peas, hindi niya natapos yung pag-peel. Binili ito naman kagabi.
Sure.
Dahil pa winter na, uso na naman ngayon yung green peas. Pero parang mahal pa ngayon yung ano niya. Yung tinda. Kasi mga first harvest siguro. Your rice. Hotdog and egg ngayon yung kanya. Ulam. Like it?
Mommy,
Yeah?
I forgot my egg.
Okay. Got it. We are going to surprise Daddy. Pagdating ni Daddy, short hair na ang kanyang anak. Let's see kung ano yung kanyang reaction mamaya. Nasa shock si Daddy mamaya pagdating niya. Short hair na si Mimi. Okay. Sit down properly. Sit down properly. Sit properly, love.
Mommy,
Kumuha pa talaga ng bread knife para mag-cut. Yeah. Okay. Sit down. Keep it here. Okay, and rice. Meron pa rin mga paputi. Ito yung nabili ko na na sausage. May konting anghang siya. Kaya marami pa yung natira. Sausage. Paminsan lang si Mishka mag-request ng hotdog eh. We're going to surprise Daddy, love, no? But we will tell Daddy. Surprise, Daddy! Hindi ko talaga mapantay yung sa likod. Ayoko nang gupitan pa, guys. Kasi baka mas umikli siya. So, i-up na lang muna na ganyan. Pag medyo humaba-haba na siya, tsaka ko na lang i-edit, i-retouch yung kanyang buhok. Pero okay naman yung sa unahan. Yung sa unahan lang naman yung importante. Okay na sa likod kahit hindi pantay. Ina-absent ko pala siya ngayon kasi kahapon lang talaga umuki yung kanyang pakiramdam. So ngayong araw parang pinahinga ko na muna siya, rest day niya. Kailangan kong gumawa ng excuse letter for tomorrow. Mish, come here na. Finish your food. Ang konti lang pala ng aming green peas. And now we are just waiting for Daddy to come. It's 8:10. Sabi niya 8 daw siya lalabas sa office. Maybe Daddy's on the way already.
Mommy,
And we are going to surprise Daddy when we miss your haircut.
Mommy,
Huh?
I like going to school.
Tomorrow you have to go school.
Why?
Why you have class today? You were not feeling so well, so
Mommy, now I'm not feeling well.
now you're okay. Tomorrow you'll be fine. So you can go to school tomorrow. Okay? Make it stand. Balance. Good job.
I missed it. Do you open the door? It is Daddy.
I think Daddy is there. Ririnig namin yung scooter. So what we're going to do, you have to cover your hair first. Cover your hair. Put it on. This you give Daddy. Move side na namin.
Daddy.
Give Daddy.
Oh, you cut her hair.
That is sad. He's not happy. That is not happy.
You like it?
Daddy got one.
She will be comfortable, Han. Give Daddy your hair. Give Daddy your hair. Daddy is not happy.
You like it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Are you okay? If you are okay, then I'm okay.
Daddy, we have one.
Daddy,
One day.
when she was lying on bed na, she was like, ah, mommy, mommy, my hair.
But we could have taken her to some salon.
Ah, this is good.
Where's my bun?
Look at her.
Daddy, like.
Band-aid yung kapalit. Meron kasi siyang maliit na bubu. That is not happy.
So many. I want that.
You're not happy with Mimi's new haircut? She would be comfortable na, Han.
You know, if anything goes away, even a rubber band, it affects me.
Oo. Mayroon kaming one time na nalaglag yung rubber band ni Mishka sa buhok. Binalikan talaga namin. Hinanap namin sa daan. Pagdating sa kay Mishka, mga gamit ni Mishka. Basta related kay Mishka, emotional yan siya. How much more buhok? So I'm keeping this. Daddy, make me miss hair. I have washed it earlier also. Smells good na. Smells good. Bango ng kanyang buhok.
Come, love. Come, sweetie.
So, meron ako ditong lagayan ng mga sentimental things mula nung pinanganak si Mishka. Ito yung lagayan to ng gatas. Di ba wala pa akong gatas nung pagkapanganak ko sa kanya. So, merong binigay na gatas yun sa amin. Tapos, ito yung kanyang first haircut sa Pilipinas. Si Mama yung nag-cut. 2022. Ito naman, 2023. January 10, 2023. Di ba? May date pa. And then, ito. Lalagyan ko naman to ng label. Ito naman yung pinagamit kay Mishka, guys. Kasi nga, bawal yung bottles sa mga bata. Yung aking pregnancy test. Dalawa to eh. Ito. Yung isa. Nakatago pa rin yan. Ito yung aking tag. Ito yung pusod ni Mishka, guys. Oh. Tapos, ito yung kanyang tag. Nakatago yan lahat dito. Now, let's add this hair. Show Daddy G your new haircut.
इसका के बाल काट दिए है
अयो हाँ यार ठीक लग रहा है
अच्छा है
Look, Daddy G. Say pranam, Daddy G.
स्वीट लग रही है रानी
Mimi.
Mama, say Daddy.
Say pranam, Daddy G.
Say Daddy.
उधर बेटा मत जुग जुग जियो रानी हमार
Thank you for watching my video. Like my video. Bye.